This is a 93 Honda Del Sol. It's got the target top. This comes off. It's got rust. This is going to need a full restoration. Full, but guess what? Manual, clean title, 174,000 miles, and we're gonna fix it. We're gonna restore this one, guys. Custom paint, all welding. We're gonna bring her back to life. So she needs a lot of work. I'm sure those rockers are gone. I haven't checked. I already bought we got the hood, fenders, doors, the rug, because it never came with a rug, the trunk, all rust free, and we're gonna order these panels, but due to the tariffs, we have to figure something else out. They don't sell them to the United States anymore from Canada. So if you guys know where I can get those panels left and right, let me know. This is going to be the new project. Let's start her up. Oh, I have to disconnect the battery because the brake light switch is messed up on it. It's got the D series in there, one of the most reliable Honda engines ever to do it. So I just disconnect the battery until we fix it. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna turbo this one. It should fire right up. It's been sitting for about 2 weeks. It'll fire right up, I'm pretty sure. It always does. We got 5 keys for this thing. This thing's such a time capsule, man. Every time, dude. Every time. One of my subscribers kind of pulled me out on it, like, oh, what are you doing with it? On the Del Sol. Yeah, we're gonna restore it. Brakes are horrible on it. This is in bad shape, you know. The guy I got it from just drove it. Which is fine. That's what it's meant for. But we're going to bring her back to life. See, the brake lights just stay on. So, and we're gonna get rid of this obnoxious exhaust. I hate it. Too loud, even with the silencer. Yeah, we're gonna restore it. We're gonna put it back to good shape, and we will document the process. You know, has no rug, which I got everything already. Gotta rip these seats out. We're doing a full restoration, bringing this old girl back to life. I can't wait to drive this. Can't wait to drive this thing. It's going in the collection for sure. No power steering. I'll just go through everything and clean up this rust. Stay tuned, guys. I'm not going to start this one yet because I have to finish my EP3. And then my wife's doing her car, so this one's in the back burner. We'll get it though, we'll get it.